This is the TROJAN Pleasure Pack of 36 lubricated latex condoms. And it's a value pack. So you're going to get 12 twisted, 12 her pleasure, 6 warming, and 6 intense. Now the twisted ones have spiral ribs, which help stimulate both partners' most sensitive areas. And you're also going to be receiving 12 her pleasure ones, which have ribs and contours, which helps increase her enjoyment and stimulation. You'll also receive 6 of the intense ones, which have deep ribs and provide intense sexual pleasure with increased stimulation, as well as 6 warming ones, and those provide warm sensation lubricant, which helps enhance sensual pleasure to both partners. And this is what the box looks like. And here are what the condoms look like. And what's really nice about these, they have these easy perforations where you can tear them off. Just like that. And you can slip it in your purse, in your travel case, in your pocket, and have it with you whenever you need it. Perfect. Definitely recommend these. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.